Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wofre me Addo searching. His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo Addo. Ne time no ende ya oba bekono. I think say he helped a year the former Vice President Dr. Bawumia during the 2024 elections campaign no oboano. Na Nana Addo kan asem bi.
Onipa me ba me betu no wakonwa no so no. A bibia me ye no so enya no fe. Ni tumi jamachi emo obisa. Bibia ma ya oba wa be se no. Eti me ba be sramo. Onipa ni ma ye adwuma. Fie 7.5 years ini. Ame wo jidie kese wo ne mu. Ame nimse obetumi ato ama adwuma so ama monya ho faso. Ye frano Mahama Bawumia. Ye to ama no wa ba be di ma de. Wa ba be di
Abusuafo nsem we Nana Addo kan meji di say nsem wo bi atibi na ende ye sanso airplane back ache John Dramani Mahama because Mahama etimi ya enya kokuduru catch His Excellency the former president Addo Akuffo Addo say it is about the economy to paid. Intinde so ye catch John Dramani Mahama say it is about the economy to paid. Ye plane bio na Ghana ni bia we ya badwemba no tena se a John Dramani Mahama be di 1 year 2 months pay. O de compare ne term no be di yokoya wasanso abana more than 8 years okra. But Nana Addo be di 8 years. Yema John Dramani Mahama 50 years 60 years on rule Ghana kra. Ontimi yesa Nana Addo da 8 years na di nsi. Nana Addo ye to chema. Mese Nana Addo wunya mene de oye nya meketua o. Wunya mene wa mana kama na bantem ameni pebi. Then this if we na shut up. They can't talk o. Ma ba be munya 2 years in pomo ntimi kasa. Na Nana Addo be fa Ghana akonwa 2016. Mese His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kept quiet for like 5 years. Mese to say COVID buy Ghana for who say dollar na akoso na economy ni mu aye di ansa na John Dramani Mahama e be kasa da economy ni mu aye di nkra na do dollar no rise ya could do 15 16 no kra no so na Ghana ye de do ne ye ho ehenhan ye de na nyama prices ne koso e na ye kasa but and the dollar no it was somewhere 11 10 11 10 11 10 echo 2 years and so prices of goods rise and rising. Our friend is saying taxes kwa na ekoso because in the entumi into light entumi into nsu na asem kesi pa aba yet ye refer John Dramani Mahama no it's about the cocoa prices are abado. John Dramani Mahama na NDC for say cocoa beto no 2,500 whereby Nana Addo be 400 from 2016 offiso 2024 no na cocoa eto no 3,001 ato forcing wa hu ne da me de ato forcing me hu because district am coast na ho no ye MP wo ho o hwe ni space ma nani no say eni na me wenkum ni fo you can't think madness me ya sure ato forcing nani no hwe dem hu adenti affect na dwe NDC fu ni fa nya papa na sa wo person hu bi ni so ban ama no to me na fa ne ye hu say NDC fu no wu useless. Mo de se mo ba ben mu na se mo de mu ndisika mo de mo ye saint mo de mu ndisika MPP for na ya konfo kwa still na mo ye useless the most useless government ever as to Ghana ha NDC aban na Randy Abe so na minim so ye fonsa Randy Abe he's one of the journalists from Ghana ha me respect him so much until say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama man appointment or your phone papa Randy Abe no catch Nana Addo say na ban na is useless because of cocoa nsem ya now Randy Abe no na wonya presidency wona woni ho Nana Addo ne penso na woni appointment bia unko your friend say international koton cocoa so how did you know say Nana Addo no you useless Nana Addo no 3,001 you know Randy Abe and NDC for are you trying to tell us that Nana Addo ebe ye president for 8 years no international market cocoa no price is number fame omo so but you know what send this for your MPP for your kronfo so mu disiko and you cannot take from NPP for say they think about Ghanaians for that one you can never take from NPP The reason why you cannot take from NPP and they say NPP na the national health insurance by free maternal care. More fun what we want free no one will call free SHS. Many of them would be when I want free. When I was SHS free. Me na man call SHS because omo free ni bi. Ba me nua mo di machi na omo free aban no and omo san so be call free SHS. Until when it comes to government or during Ghana, that thing you can never take it from NPP. Now, NDC, they be a catch almost just one legacy. Yeah, they be almost say NDC be ruling Ghana more than the NPP ruling. But omunya board in say, okay, I do weapon ya dia ba abua Ghana ni be in see that. Into any say, I na Ghana full be at the NDC compare NPP. Now to me say senya politics and ye Jimmy. Randia be pese e bisa wo say. What you call about one you pay? Would you pay every month? Who pay all the Christmas president today? Randy Abbey, what do cocoda? Ah, Radia Copo, won't do cocoda. Wouldn't how would they fertilize a cry cocoa so? You don't know anything about cocoa, but would you pay? Esi okueni no wado ashe edua cocoa adodo ho eguso aso abre wakote agba paafu epa na omo do ase na omo yese wo rande abe wo space say the one ye wo yaro wo di pace akuafo no nti say international market say prices now drop nti na mon prices now be favor and the other nti na won sacrifice wo pay na won tu akuafo ne ka because they suffer na do tu omo ka 3000 one na wo rande abe Eric Opoku bi o mo ko jira Captain Smart a woni mi nyansa ni page so ko kaze ye ba ye ba mama 6500 na Akuffo ni tribune de na den e yan this fo ya mi atua mo ka na na do nya mo atua mo ka ntem say na na do kan say John Dramani Mahama onim ni say ontimi nya na ontimi nya so na beje obo asema wo kan na abem me say opa John Dramani Mahama ya sanso fa tetem ni nka no ho de ebeba kra no say ebeye worse asin de ekomi mama na obukra obema o shege obecho shege John Dramani Mahama obechira wo ses we jimi ono nte wo ho na John Dramani Mahama bechira wo se ono no oye communicator and oba politics match nti no se wo jimi a ono be jimi ni pepepe obechira wo se wo nim yanso ono nte wo ho wada mu asanso aba be de Ghana konwa no monhwe efa odemu efem na na do kan so onim John Dramani Mahama so ntimi yenti ka monto aba no nto a NPP so 2024 Ghana for NPP for disika and propaganda NDC fu je nti omo bae nso no omo anya adwuma John Dramani Mahama ne first month second month na omo de omo ni NPP for so say ye cheche omo ha sa na Ghana for pe yes NPP fu disika nti yes ye cheche omo no omo say yes ye adwuma and cheche no wo bu woni dem no wo ye say akwankosi aga
we would adjust and na say nhihye bi to say be as a problem no emma biem
ka wo say ka no beto asemu
it makes sense aban se wantimi antum because a ekagu ho two world price now mo the year projection no dollar no so ye de na ye stronger enti ama
a BTA
enti ye de ko ni say for now na afei ya twen emre bi a John Mahama edu salary negotiation what happened
ono akotenem
ka say we de mesrem adabraka yenye ni say yenye say eye kasa we say the point is that say well nobody would understand it defies common logic say market share 1000 misu osemete so about 800 ni emfa ni sa because sikani ho
but is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
A cocoa farmer no projecting say nanko expect say nka be ni 6000 wanye about 3000 some to mu kakra bi ne ma no tua ne ka unya ntia ye twen so ba be ka nyansa samachre na wo se mateso because we are but just a double stories sa sabi nsem hunu na MPP aban ye bi ane e ka chomo muntin enu bi oko Facebook a enu bi no wan say the semantics the world market price the dollar exchange rate the hwan me what say ka to politicians omunsia de o omunsia de na you see John Mahama we need to take the toughest decision into Akuffo Addo de ni wajimi
Oh, they won't cast.
See, we need to tell politicians who need to change. School bear no makwa School bear no makwa
The level can no level.
What I say? President John Mahama PhD. Ne master's yesing. Addo. So let them not behave as if say they are superhumans. And then yeah now fi problem e ba no. Enye nya ne betimi politicians.
It's true.
Sabi who wo nimdie bebre chankrofo bia omuye ministers ne DCs. Addo. Let them not behave as if say
they are demigods.
They are demigods said yetimi koma semna or your president today you superhuman. Enu bi no ya ye kan yo menti afi di Akuffo Addo. Ekotefa so a ene. And this is the danger. They be catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omu tinka, omu hnenkano. Womu ne defend something. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
But who be message akwadwo was say I can't come musa no. Ono ko akwaje bosia ni project they say the na dada no. Says can they be bamana or they
don't have you see.
Say what is
you see when MPP a debt exchange program
affect him.
People, you see, politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians, because they have people defending them. No, what you want say? But they are silent people. They don't talk.
Yes,
and nobody na say me. They be catch MPP for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I am not the MB and say, I catch a phone and no person which say, because say, Omunim Kakrenti, Omudominyan say, Babeches, would the Oka, what Jimmy, another name before no. The idea say, Oka Kokwa Semno, what Jimmy, Unim the Oka, Nadian, you are hollow, Mimi a hollow.
We are shallow, dear baby.
Maybe a hollow
because all criticizing a decision from government.
But you see,
they
don't get it. And some you see, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say Chimensa can't be.
Okay.
Or say, see I can't people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What the name Timin Drew say about the floating voters.
And the winning aba.
That's true. Makacho say MPP, NDC, Omuni 44%. The floating voters. Women decide who becomes the president. And we will speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
We will speak to the float and entrench MPP near this.
Somebody they look at issues with political lens.
Exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
In Ashanti region, we were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Akuffo Addo.
Yeah.
So you don't come in and say all these things.
But you ask what but you see the issue is that
every time I'm a bufu. And then John Mahama Chechi. And then what Chechi? Basia bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change aba.
So I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man you be komu, yare ye komu, yare bi okra bi mada. But because we love Ghana so much, ne duru baby no, na ye yare because of Akuffo Addo. Ye be sorry ni akoma ye ya. Me na me ni akoma yare. Akuffo Addo nti me nya akoma yare. So we don't want a situation where ye be sa be sha ase ni ekikam. No.
But don't you think that I mean, relaxing. Viewers, subscribers, mumpe in Sobi and Yunami Fangu. Dog Akumas, na dog hit
no.
Don't you think, say, yeah, Nema Basa in the past, but it is time we swallow the bitter pill by maybe taking the tough decisions, which will in the long run inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now,
Akuffo Addo take his tough decision, no, affecting no. This exchange, no, but I'm saying, say, Akuffo Addo, tough decisions. So the NDC has benefited from those DDEP. Okay. True or false? Yeah, these are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akuffo Addo, they said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was, the Oye now koye so what do I say? Edru maybe when certain taxes and then I say for a buy, it's not what the same bottom. Taxes, Akuffo Addo see edition bottom. And yes, a campaign against him. It's now names a cocoa sector, no. Momo beto ka omu jaka.
Ana MPP beto.
And MPP beto you no yo omu de.
Omuja bi.
And omuja bi eka because e ka bi we legacy.
Yeah, beto omu sa.
A legacy where am okay mo so meja ka. Because se mo 4 years ni beba no. Mo de ka e na beto aso.
I see. There be e ka o.
E ka ye wo nyoma bi wo ha e ka.
Ma mo me mfa politics ma di we because koko